Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on lane control alert on the Yandex Maps application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, just click to the three line at the upper left corner of the home screen. Tap to the setting, click to the map and interface, and go to the last button, the road events. And if you use the alerts function, you can find the in navigator mode section, and you can find the lane control cameras under the parking cameras. Actually, I use this function, but if you want to turn off, click to the next blue circle, and if you want to turn on, click that again, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.